Hello, friends. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to English Minds, where your journey to exam success begins. If you have been feeling overwhelmed by vocabulary, fear no more. Today we were unlocking the top most 50 most repeated vocabulary, part 2, words that pop up again and again in the competitive exams. Whether it's like SSC, TCT, PCT, and other exams, these words are like old friends, familiar, important, and the powerful. Stick with me as we break down each word, its meaning, and how can change the game for you. Ready to take your exam prep to the next level? Let's dive in and it make vocabulary your strongest asset. Let's let begin. Very first question. Affluent means समृद्ध, धनी, संपन्न. Latin root word affluere, to flow towards. Affluence, noun, affluency, adverb. Synonym, prosperous, wealthy, rich, opulent, well off, flourishing, thriving, abundant. Opposite, poor, impoverished, destitute, needy, deprived. The affluent businessman donated millions to the orphanage. मीन्स समृद्ध व्यापारी ने अनाथालय को लाखों का दान किया. Often used to describe economic status, prosperity in societies, and financial well-being in the literary and economic context. Limp means अस्थिर रूप से चलना. Limp felt means soft, weak. Limpic adjective, limper noun. Sino, falter, stagger, hobble, totter, wobble, shuffle, lurch, sway. Ento, walk firmly, दृढ़ता से चलना. Stride, march, stark, tread, skip, trample, stomp. He limped across the field after twisting his ankle. घुटना मुड़ने के बाद वह मैदान में लड़खड़ाते हुए चला. Limp frequently appears in war literature, sports narratives, and medical descriptions of physical ailments. Infrequent means विरल, कभी कभार होने वाला. In, not, frequent, crowded, repeated. Infrequency, noun, infrequently, adverb. Rare, occasional, sporadic, uncommon, scant, seldom, irregular, exceptional. Ento, frequent, common, regular, usual, constant. Routine, recurrent, persistent. Rainfall in the desert is infrequent but heavy. रेगिस्तान में वर्षा विरल होती है लेकिन भारी होती है. Infrequent. Used in climatology, history, describing rare events, and scientific research papers. Massacre means नरसंहार, कत्ले-आम. Massacre means to slaughter. Massacred, verb massacring, present participle. Sino, slaughter, murder, butchery, genocide, carnage, bloodbath, annihilation, extermination. Opposite, protection, preservation, rescue, बचाना, salvation, guarding, safeguarding, asylum, mercy. The historical account detail the massacre of innocent civilians during the war. ऐतिहासिक वृत्तांतों में युद्ध के दौरान निर्दोष नागरिकों के नरसंहार का वर्णन मिलता है. Found in war massacre found in war literature, historical accounts, and human rights discourse. Belittle means tuch. Be make little small. Belittling adjective. Belittlement noun. Sign of disparage, diminish, deval, mock, undermine, scorn, minimize, condemn. Opposite praise, appreciate, compliment, elevate, glorify, admire, magnify, applaud. Means प्रशंसा करना, exaltation. You should never belittle someone's effort, no matter how small they seem. आपको कभी भी किसी के प्रयासों को तुच्छ नहीं समझना चाहिए, चाहे वे कितने छोटे क्यों ना लगे. रिवाइज मीन्स संशोधित. लैटिन वर्ड रिवर्डियर टू सी अगेन. री अगेन, विडियर टू सी. रिविजन नाउन, रिवाइजेबल एडजेक्टिव, रिवाइज्ड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. एडिट, मॉडिफाई, चेंज, अमेंड सुधार करना, अल्टर, इम्प्रूव, रिफाइन, रिकंसीडर पुनर्विचार के लिए. एंटो, रिटेन, कीप, प्रिजर्व, मेंटेन, अपहोल्ड, confirm, approve, continue. Before submitting the manuscript, the professor advised the student to revise the arguments. पांडुलिपि जमा करने से पहले प्रोफेसर ने छात्र को तर्कों को संशोधित करने की सलाह दी. Distinguish means भेद करना, अलग करना. Distinguish to separate, dis apart, stinger to prick, mark. distinguished, adjective, distinction, noun, distinguishable, adjective, differentiate, discern, recognize, identify, separate, contrast, categorize, classify, and to confuse, mix up, overlook, blur, equate, merge, combine, indistinguishable. A good critic can easily distinguish between genuine creativity and mere imitation. एक अच्छा समीक्षक आसानी से वास्तविक सृजनशीलता और मात्र अनुकरण के बीच भेद कर सकता है. Distinguish uses frequently used in philosophy, comparative studies, and literary criticism. Accuse, आरोप लगाना. Latin word accusere, to charge with a crime. Add to word casual, a cause, lawsuit. Accusation, noun, accused, noun, adjective both, accusatory, adjective. Sino, blame, charge, indict, impeach, prosecute, condemn. Allege, incriminate, ento, absolve, exonerate, vindicate, acquit, defend, pardon, justify, excuse. The lawyer accused the company of violating environmental laws. वकील ने कंपनी पर पर्यावरणीय कानूनों का उल्लंघन करने का आरोप लगाया. Accuse often appears in legal and political context as well as dramatic and misery genres. Next, recover means पुनः प्राप्त करना, ठीक होना. Latin word recupere, to regain means पुनः पाना. Again, again. Capere means to take. Recovery, noun. Recoverable, adjective. Recover, past participle. And sino, recoup, heal, regain, restore, retrieve, mend, rehabilitate, revive. And to deteriorate, worsen, decline, loss, replace, relapse, fail, collapse, damage. The patient recovered from the illness faster than expected. रोगी की अपेक्षा रोगी अपेक्षा से अधिक तेजी से बीमारी से रिकवर हो गया, मतलब ठीक हो गया. रिकवर frequently used in medical, financial and psychological narratives. Admonish means डांटना, चेतावनी देना, सुधार की सलाह देना. Latin word admonier, to warn. Add to monier, to advise, warn. Word formation, admonition, noun, admonitory, adjective, admonished, past participle. Sino, warn, reprimand, caution, scold, rebuke, reproach, criticize, chide. Means डांटना, फटकारना. And to praise, applaud, compliment, encourage, approve, laud, endorse, appreciate. The teacher admonished the student for not completing their assignment on time. शिक्षक ने छात्रों को समय पर असाइनमेंट पूरा न करने के लिए डांटा. Admonish common in dialogues, moral teaching, and reflective narratives. Gratify means संतुष्ट करना, प्रसन्न करना. Latin word gratificare to show favor. Gratus pleasing, facere या facere to make do. Gratification noun, gratified adjective, gratifying adjective. Satisfy, please, delight, indulge, content, fulfill, appease, rejoice, exalt, and to displease, dissatisfy, offend, irritate, annoy, frustrate, upset, agitate. The teacher was gratified by the students' enthusiasm for learning. शिक्षक छात्रों के सीखने के उत्साह से सेटिस्फाइड थे मीन्स संतुष्ट थे मीन्स ग्रेटिफाइड थे, प्लीज थे, डिलाइट थे. Gratify commonly used in positive and emotional context such as personal satisfaction or reward. Enchant means झुकाव या रुचि, पसंद. French word penchant means leaning, inclination. Pendeer means to hang या weigh. Penchant noun, no major derivation. Liking, inclination, fondness, preferences, affection, taste, propensity, tendency. And to dislike, hatred, aversion, indifference, repulsion, disapproval, reluctance, disinclination. He has a strong penchant for classical music. उसे शास्त्रीय संगीत के प्रति गहरी रुचि है. Penchant frequently appears in discussions on personality traits, habits, and preferences. Barter means विनिमय, वस्तु विनिमय. Barter to exchange, related to barter, to cheat, deceive. Trade, exchange, swap, deal, negotiate, haggle, trade off, transfer. Sign and to keep, retain, hold, possess, own, buy, purchase, acquire. In ancient time, people used to barter goods instead using money. प्राचीन काल में लोग वस्तुओं का विनिमय करके व्यापार करते थे, पैसे का उपयोग नहीं करते थे। बार्टर common in historical, economic, and anthropological discussions. Unconscionable means अनुचित, अमानवीय, अन्यायपूर्ण. Un means not, conscientia means conscience, चेतना. Unconscionable means not guided by conscience. Sino, excessive, immoral, unethical, outrageous, unfair, unjust, indefensible, dishonorable. Anto, fair, just, reasonable, ethical, acceptable, जो सर्वमान्य हो, permissible, proper, moderate. Charging such high prices for essential medicines is unconsensible. मीन्स आवश्यक दवाओं के लिए इतनी अधिक कीमत वसूलना अन्यायपूर्ण है. मीन्स अनएथिकल है, इमोरल है. Uses often used in legal, ethical, and philosophical discussions. Terminate means समाप्त करना, खत्म करना. Latin word terminare means to limit, end. Terminus boundary, limit. Termination noun word, terminated adjective, terminable adjective. Terminate, sino, end, conclude, cease, finish, abolish, halt, stop, discontinue. Opposite, benign, begin, start, continue, initiate, शुरुआत करना, proceed, resume, maintain, prolong. The company decided to terminate the contract due to repeated violations. कंपनी ने लगातार उल्लंघनों के कारण अनुबंध समाप्त करने का निर्णय लिया. Terminate common in legal, corporate, and strategic discussions. Dank means numb, सीलन भरा. Old knots, dock means moisture, humidity. Damp, wet. Dankness, noun, dankly, adverb. Sino, damp, moist, wet, humid, clammy, soggy, muggy, chilly. Anto, dried, arid, parched, warm, heated, scorched, crisp, sunny. The cave was dark and dank, filled with the smell of moss and wet stone. गुफा अंधेरी और नम थी, जिसमें काई, मॉस मीन्स काई एंड स्टोन मीन्स पत्थर, जिसमें काई और गीले पत्थरों की गंध भरी हुई थी. Dank often used in describe gothic, airy, and mysterious setting in poetry and fiction. Bounty means इनाम, उदारता, दान. Latin word bonetimum, goodness. Old French bonté, kindness and generosity. Bountiful adjective word है. bounteously, adverb, bounteous, adjective. Sino, donation, gift, reward, generosity, charity, compensation, grant, contribution. Anto, penalty, fine, debt, loss, scarcity, deficiency, shortage, withholding. The king announced a bounty for anyone who could capture and the fugitive. राजा ने भगोड़े को पकड़ने वाले के लिए इनाम की घोषणा की. Bounty frequently appears in historical, political, and economic context relating to rewards and generosity. Divi means दिव्य, बांटना, वितरित करना. Shortened word form divide, Latin divider, to separate or distribute. Sino, share, split, distribute, allocate, divide, portion, apportion, dispense. And to hoard, keep, withhold, retain, confiscate, accumulate, collect, store. We need to divvy up the resources equally among all participants. हमें सभी प्रतिभागियों के बीच संसाधनों को समान रूप से बांटना होगा. Is commonly used in economic and financial discussion related to resource distribution. Object means आपत्ति, विरोध करना. Ob means against. Ob means against. Care means to throw. Objectere means to throw against. Means objection, noun, objectionable, adjective, objector, noun. Disapprove, protest, oppose, challenge, resist, reject, complain, dissent. Anto, accept, approve, agree, consent. सहमति, support, endorse, permit, आदेश, encourage. The lawyer objected to the prosecutor's statement in court. वकील ने अदालत में अभियोजक के बयान पर आपत्ति जताई. Object frequently used in legal, argumentative and debate context. Range means सीमा, विस्तार. Old French word range, row or rank. Line, limit, scope. Ranking, ranger. Sino, scope, extent, spectrum, variety, scale, span, limit, area. Anto, point, specifically, narrowness, restriction, limitation, constant, exclusivity. His research covers a wide range of literary theories. उसका शोध विभिन्न साहित्यिक सिद्धांतों की एक विस्तृत श्रृंखला को कवर करता है. Range is used in scientific, mathematical and philosophical discussion to describe variation and extent, like exclusively. Bash means टकराना, धक्का देना. Old notes bash का means to hit, beat. Bash to strike, smash, strike, hit, smash, कुचल देना. Blow, knock, slam, beat, pound. And to pierce, stroke, tap, pet, pat, soothe, protect, avoid. He bashed the door in frustration after waiting for hours. उसने घंटों इंतजार करने के बाद गुस्से में दरवाजे पर जोर से प्रहार किया. Bash common in violent, action-based or emotional outburst in narratives. Haggle means मोल भाव करना, बहस करना. Haggle means to move back and forth sake, to chop, bargain. Sino, bargain, negotiate, barter, debate, deal, discuss, quibble, argue. And to accept, agree, comply, settle, yield, submit, conquer, reconcile. She spent an hour haggling over the price of the antique vase. वह प्राचीन फूलदान की कीमत पर 1 घंटे तक मोल भाव करती रही. Then he spent और she spent करता रहा या करती रही. Uses found in haggle found in economic, marketplace and cultural discussion. Abstruse means गूढ़, गहन. Abstruse means hidden, concealed, difficult to understand, hard to understand. Sino, profound, complex, obscure, puzzling, mysterious, enigmatic, complicated, esoteric. Anto, clear, simple, obvious, straightforward, easy, apparent, plain, understandable. Einstein's theories were too abstruse for the general public and at the time. आइंस्टीन के सिद्धांत उस समय आम जनता के लिए अत्यधिक जटिल थे. Abstruse use found in academic, philosophical and scientific discussion. Option Yob means दंगाई, असभ्य व्यक्ति. Savage, boorish. Boy, yobbish, adjective. Sino, loud. Hooligan, thug. Ruffian, bully. Vandal, delinquent, criminal. Anto, gentleman, noble, polite, decent, civilized, well mannered, sophisticated, refined. The police arrested a group of youths for vandalizing public property. पुलिस ने सार्वजनिक संपत्ति को नुकसान पहुंचाने के लिए एक समूह को गिरफ्तार किया. Yob found in urban crime, socio-political and behavioral studies. Apogee means उच्चतम बिंदु, चरम सीमा. Apogis, Greek word, away from earth, Latin apotheosm, highest point. Means climax, peak, summit, pinnacle, zenith, acme, crest, culmination. Nadir, bottom, base, lowest point, depth, foundation, start, beginning. The empire reached its apogee during the reign of Emperor Asoka. साम्राज्य में सम्राट अशोक के शासनकाल में अपनी चरम सीमा को प्राप्त किया. Apogee is frequently used in historical, political and scientific discussions. Morose means उदास, निराशाजनक. Latin word morose means peevish, sullen. Gloomy, sullen, depressed, melancholy, miserable, downcast, dejected, moody. Anto, cheerful, happy, joyful, bright, lively, upbeat, optimistic, enthusiastic. After failing the exam, he became morose and avoided social gatherings. परीक्षा में असफल होने के बाद वह उदास हो गया और सामाजिक आयोजनों से बचने लगा. Morose found in psychological, tragic and introspective narratives. Adversity means विपत्ति, कठिनाई, संकट. Latin word adversus means tuned against, turned against, not tuned. Crisis, hardship, misfortune, trouble, calamity, setback, distress, struggle. Anto, prosperity, success, fortune, advantage, opportunity, ease, comfort, triumph. Many great leaders have risen through adversity and hardship. कई महान नेता विपत्तियों और कठिनाइयों से उभरकर आगे बढ़े हैं. Adversity frequently appears in motivational, historical and philosophical text. Candid means स्पष्टवादी, निष्कपट. Candidus means white या pure. Candid means truthful. Frank, honest, open, sincere, straightforward. Blunt, direct, outspoken. Anto, deceptive, dishonest, reserved, indirect, secretive, insincere, cunning, guarded. She gave a candid opinion about the new policy. उसने नीति नई नीति के बारे में स्पष्ट एवं निष्पक्ष राय दी. Candid common in dialogues, interviews, and autobiographical works. Ephemeral means क्षणिक, अल्पकालिक, अस्थायी. Greek word ephemerous means lasting only a day. Sino short-lived, temporary, fleeting, transient, momentary क्षणिक सुख के लिए. Brief, passing, evanescent. Anto permanent, lasting, enduring, eternal, perpetual, timeless समय से परे, immortal, everlasting हमेशा हमेशा. The beauty of a sunset is ephemeral, lasting only a few minutes. सूर्यास्त की सुंदरता क्षणिक होती है जो केवल कुछ ही मिनटों तक बनी रहती है. Ephemeral often used in philosophical, poetic and metaphorical expression. Stubborn means जिद्दी, हठी. Stive means tree stump. Stubborn, unyielding. Sino, obstinate, unyielding, headstrong, rigid, inflexible, determined, दृढ़ निश्चय, willful, relentless. Anto, flexible, yielding, agreeable, obedient, submissive, compliant, adaptable, willing. Despite repeated warnings, he remained stubborn and refused to apologize. बार बार चेतावनी के बावजूद वह जिद्दी बना रहा और माफी नहीं मांगने से इनकार कर दिया. Stubborn often use a character descriptions, psychological studies, and behavioral analysis. Prognosis means रोग की पूर्वानुमान भविष्यवाणी. Greek prognosis means means before, gnosis means knowledge. Forecast, prediction, outlook, diagnosis, projection, estimate, assessment, expectation. Anto, retrospection, guess, uncertainty, miscalculation, misinformation, doubt, confusion, disbelief. The doctor prognosis suggested a full recovery within 6 months. डॉक्टर के पूर्वानुमान के अनुसार 6 महीने में पूरी तरह से ठीक होने की संभावना है. Prognosis common in medical, scientific and analytical discussions. Engender means उत्पन्न करना, जन्म देना, विकसित करना. Latin word ingenerare से into, ingenerare, generate. Sino, generate, cause, create, produce, induce, provoke, bring out, beget. Anto, destroy, prevent, halt, suppress, end, eradicate, eliminate, extinguish. His speech engendered a sense of unity among the people. उनके भाषण ने लोगों में एक भावना के एक एक भा, लोगों में एकता की भावना उत्पन्न की. Frequently used in philosophical, political and psychological context. Glib means चिकनी चुपड़ी बातें करना, चिकनी चुपड़ी बात करने वाला. Glibly, glibly means smooth, slippery, slimy, चिपचिपा. Smooth, sino, smooth, fluent, slick, talkative, persuasive, articulate, deceptive, superficial. Anto, hesitant, inarticulate, tongue-tied, thoughtful, silent, genuine, slow, stuttering. His glib remarks made him seem insincere in the interview. उनकी सतही टिप्पणियों ने उन्हें साक्षात्कार में बेईमान बना दिया. Glib found in satirical, rhetorical and critical writing. Taciturnity means अल्पभाषिता, एकदम से चुप्पी. Reserve, silence, reticence, quietness, muteness, aloofness, introversion, shyness. Antonyms: talkativeness, loquacity, chattiness, verbosity, outspokenness, sociability, expressiveness, wordiness. His taciturnity in meetings often made people think he was indifferent. बैठकों में उनकी चुप्पी ने अक्सर लोगों को ये सोचने पर मजबूर कर दिया कि वे उदासीन हैं. Taciturn often appears in psychological, dramatic, and introspective narratives. Apparel means वस्त्र, परिधान, कपड़े. Apparel means equipment, preparation. Appare means to prepare. Clothing, attire, garments, dress, outfit, costume, wardrobe, wear. Anto, nakedness, undress, exposure, disrobe, barrenness, stripping, unclothed, nude. The king royal apparel was adorned with gold and jewels. राजा का शाही परिधान सोने और रत्नों से सुसज्जित था. Found in historical, descriptive and fashion related text. Doleful means दुखी, शोकाकुल. Dole means foolish. Mournful, sorrowful, sad, gloomy, melancholy. Woeful, depressed, dismal. Anto, cheerful, joyful, happy, gleeful, jubilant, content, light-hearted, upbeat. The doleful melody of the violin filled the room with sadness. वायलिन की शोकाकुल धुन ने पूरे कमरे को उदासी से भर दिया. Doleful were frequently used in elegies, tragedies, and melancholic poetry. Efface means मिटाना, समाप्त करना. Latin word ex means out. Facere means to make. Wipe out, erase, obliterate, remove, expunge, eliminate, destroy, cancel. Sign anto preserve, retain, maintain, restore, keep, protect, conserve, safeguard. Time gradually effaced the painful memories of the past. समय ने धीरे धीरे अतीत की दर्दनाक यादों को मिटा दिया. Efface common in historical, psychological and philosophical context. Blith means प्रसन्न, चित्त, आनंदपूर्ण, हल्का. The feeling light. Blith gentle, kind, cheerful. Joyous, cheerful, carefree, बेपरवाह, बेपरवाह, परवाह, ना तो परवाह, ना तो लापरवाह. बेपरवाह मीन्स कोई फिक्र नहीं. हैप्पी, लाइट हार्टेड, merry, buoyant, upbeat. Anto, gloomy, sorrowful, miserable, depressed, sad, melancholy, worried, morose. Her blithe spirit lifted the mood of the entire gathering. उसकी आनंदपूर्ण आत्मा ने पूरे समारोह का माहौल खुशनुमा बना दिया. Blithe seen in pastoral poetry, romantic literature and comedic words. Errant means calm, means sino, mission, task, duty, assignment, cure, job, trip, commission. Anto, idleness, inactivity, rest, leisure, vacation, loafing, indifference, neglect. She was sent on an urgent errand to fetch the documents. उसे दस्तावेज लाने के लिए एक आवश्यक कार्य पर भेजा गया. Errant common in domestic and everyday narratives. Ribald means अश्लील, भद्दा, vulgar, indecent, coarse, भद्दा, obscene, अश्लील, lewd, crude, bawdy, profane. Anto, decent, polite, refined, proper, mannered, respectable, moral, courteous, civilized. The comedian's ribald humor was entertaining but not suitable for children. Like These times, India got latent. कॉमेडियन का भद्दा मजाक हास्य मनोरंजक था, लेकिन बच्चों के लिए उपयुक्त नहीं था। बट टुडेज बड़ों के लिए भी उपयुक्त नहीं है। प्रीटेंसियस मीन्स अडिक, हठी। साइनो डिटरमाइंड, टेनेशियस, stubborn, resolute, steadfast, persistent, unyielding, obstinate, and to irresolute, indecisive, yielding, compliant, weak, flexible, submissive, fickle. Despite several failures, his pertinacious attitude kept him going. कई असफलताओं के बावजूद उसका दृढ़ निश्चय उसे आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रेरित करता रहा। Found in characters with a strong determination and novels and philosophical test. Admit means accept करना, मान लेना। Latin word admit है, to allow, to enter, grant access. Grant, accept, allow, permit, and to deny, reject, refuse, contradict, dispute, repudiate, exclude, disallow. She admitted her mistake and apologized sincerely. उसने अपनी गलती स्वीकार की और ईमानदारी से माफी मांगी। Admit common in courtroom dramas, confessional poetry, and personal essays. Stead means गंभीर, शांत। Sino sedate, serious, sober, calm, grave, traditional, sorry for voice, reserved, solemn. Anto lively, exciting, playful, carefree, witty, unrestrained, frivolous, bold. The professor's staid manner made him lectures somewhat dull. प्रोफेसर का गंभीर व्यवहार उनके व्याख्यानों को कुछ हद तक उबाऊ बना देता था। Staid common in classic language and philosophical text. Perilous means खतरनाक, जोखिम भरा, संकटमय। Sino dangerous, hazardous, risky, precarious, threatening, unsafe, treacherous, unstable. Anto safe, secure, harmless, risk-free, protected, certain, assured, reliable. The mountaineers embarked on a perilous journey through the snow-covered peaks. पर्वतारोहियों ने बर्फ से ढकी चोटियों के बीच एक खतरनाक यात्रा शुरू की। A perilous journey. Uses frequently found in adventure novel, war literature and gothic fiction. Lavish means udar, शानदार. Profuse, extravagant, luxurious, generous, opulent, excessive, bountiful, sumptuous. Anto, frugal, stingy, meager, miserly, economical, thrifty, scanty, moderate. A billionaire threw a lavish party in his mansion. अरबपति ने अपने महल में एक शानदार पार्टी दी. Lavish common in description of grandeur in novel, poetry and historical fiction. Illicit means प्राप्त करना. Sino, induce, extract, draw out, evoke, obtain, uncover. Reveal, prompt. Anto, suppress, conceal, hide, cover, repress, silence, stifle, withhold. The lawyer skillfully elicited the truth from the witness. वकील ने गवाह से कुशलतापूर्वक सच्चाई बाहर निकाली. Elicited. Frequently used in psychological studies, detective fiction and rhetorical analysis. Grave means गंभीर, महत्वपूर्ण. कव्र, साइनो, सोlemn, serious, somber, critical, important, severe, witty, gloomy. Anto, trivial, light-hearted, cheerful, playful, insignificant, joyful, minor, carefree. The doctor's expression became grave when he read the test review. डॉक्टर का भाव परीक्षण परिणाम पढ़ते समय गंभीर हो गया. Dud means useless thing. Sino, failure, flop, defective, wordless, useless, ineffective, inept, incompetent. Anto, success, hit, winner, effective, useful, productive, valuable, functional. The much hyped movie turned out to be a complete dud at the box office. Means बहुप्रचारित फिल्म बॉक्स ऑफिस पर बहुत पूरी तरह से असफल रही. Dud often appears in slang, informal writing, and satirical work. Portray, second last word. Portray means चित्रण करना. Portray means to draw forth. Depict, represent, describe, illustrate, draw, sketch, characterize, convey, and to misrepresent, distort, conceal, obscure, falsify, confuse, misinterpret, hide. The novel vividly portrays the struggles of a post-war society. उपन्यास युद्ध के बाद की समाज की कठिनाइयों को सजीव रूप से चित्रित करता है. The novel vividly portrays. Portray uses in found of biography, historical novel, and realistic fiction. Invidious means घृणित, अनुचित, lust, envy. Invidia means envy. Unpopular, offensive, hateful, unfair, undesirable, discriminatory, detrimental. Anto, popular, favorable, pleasing, acceptable, fair, just, unbiased. Welcome. The politician's invidious remarks sparked controversy. राजनीतिक की घृणास्पद टिप्पणियों के बाद विवाद उत्पन्न कर दिया. Common in political discourse, legal text, and psychological studies. I hope you like this video. Thank you for tuning in to today's session. Top most repeated vocabulary words for competitive exam. I hope you are feeling more confident and ready to conquer your exam. Remember, mastering vocabulary is a journey, not a race. So keep practicing and revising these words. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exam tips and tricks. Also, feel free to drop any questions and suggestions in the comments below. Stay motivated, stay focused, and I'll see you the next video. Keep striving for success with English Minds. Thank you. Thank you so much.